Oluwa, one of Oba, thank you for coming on this platform. It's been long we've not heard from you. I want to look at the developing news. Tinubu is almost 1 year in office, and we are seeing Oloshenka saying P2B and obedience, are the ones that might not have it at the 2027. And he also saying that Biafra is a movement that everybody should embrace. And Nnamdi Kanu is not worthy to be in that place. It's illegal to keep Nnamdi Kanu there. But he didn't say anything about Emiloko's administration, even though he was being asked. What do you feel about Tinubu's administration for 1 year? He didn't respond to that, but he focused on Obi, and people are saying it's because Obasanjo brought Obi, and that was why, and Obi and Obasanjo and Oloshenka is not in good order. That is why anything about Obi, Oloshenka has continued to have a level of reservation, confirming that Obi was a former governor of Anambra State. Tinubu was also a former governor. Obi was not being accused of any fraudulent activities as a result of his administration as governor. We have seen Bola Ahmed Tinubu being accused of looting, or to the extent taken to court then by Ribadu and thereabout. How do you react to all these things? Oluwa, one of Oba himself, today, this morning.
God bless you. Good morning, my guy. See, good morning to my viewers, home and diaspora. See, let us be frank with our fucking self here. We are in a country that is not a country. A country that is not a country. Its name is Nigeria. Niger area. Anything can happen. Anything that is illegality is stand here. They appreciate illegality than the legal. But the other side of the house, the other side of the country, they practice democracy. Democracy, government for the people, by the people, and for the people. Here, it's a government by their self and their family and their pockets. They don't care about you and I. So they don't really care about us. See, when you see what also you can dance into Tinubu, because they are all the best of the same feather, because they are looking for what to eat. Because their food, when they stop, when they warehouse, they don't dry. So Tinubu, they go give the food. And Tinubu, he failed Nigeria, woefully. See, let me tell you one thing. The care is not taking in 4 years. 1 year now is zero, but years is coming. See, years is coming, and Nigeria are tired of the years of him. We don't even buy Tinubu anymore. Nobody knows Tinubu. He's just the president of Azor with his wife and his family and his brother and his pikin Sheyi. Now they multiply Nigeria. All Nigeria money is their pockets. Borrow, he said it will start from where Buhari stopped. And Buhari is even better than him, according to the management of the humanity. Tinubu don't know anything for management of humanity. He said he be a lori or Emilokon. Okay, now take it. Do it. Nigeria see suffer under Tinubu for their life. They never experienced this diversity of demonic or brutality suffering under the called Jakaba. He failed. He said renew hope. Scam. All their government is scam. All their ideology is scam. All their policy is scam. Now, see the last policy. Saba Cafe, pay money levy. Now they don't trouble those people. You know, say they go Trump.
The Trump more.
Yes. Nigeria don't tire. And one day, Nigeria will tire. All Nigeria will tell the street and they will pursue the arch of the corridor power. It don't happen before for country. And it go over Nigeria. This is Nigeria Mamugu. Because Nigeria don't want fire. I don't want fire. I don't want quit. A party for us. One enjoy. But now, Nigeria don't see the reality. The government official has come home. Nothing to write home about in their life. They are all frustrated from up to down. I will tell you the reality. All their talk is zero. Nothing is happening. You are sitting down as a president, the father of the nation, and your children are hungry. No solution. They can't even amend 3 square meters. 2 is difficult. And you are still saying you are a president.
But you said you should push your exercise patience.
I don't know. See, it's not a patient he has. The president exercise patience. The wife exercise patience.
Nigeria should exercise patience. Nigeria is a patient house.
Okay, now.
Nigeria is a patient house.
Exercise patience. You say the patient dog eat the fatted bone. No more bone anymore. Now Nigeria is tired of the patient house.
No more bone anymore.
No more bone for the patient dog to eat. You don't bring the ideology of patience. After a new hope, now patient. After patient, you go disaster. Because bad will come. You can't continue like this. All the old farmers, they can't farm. You came 1 year, there's no reality of the house. There's a new government in town. All look like old school. Every day now the same thing. According to my mentor, the late Alikola Pakuchi, every day suffer, every day now the same. Every day for Nigeria the same thing. Why are we here like this? Where are we going? But we must know, and we will know that they are not with us. They are just bringing language. Now, you say Calabar, Lagos to Calabar.
Suspended.
See life.
Suspended.
He must be suspended.
They were busy destroying the submarine cable.
Okay.
Unknowing to them.
Okay, those have been destroyed now. What will go happen to their life stuff, their life living? See, Nigeria is a country of no return. You fight for yourself and God fight for you. Government doesn't fight for you here. You don't start the country, go and take the responsibility of your life and your welfare. But yeah, VIP, vagabond in power, they put their pocket first, their family first. And before they came, they bring the wash for one reason. All in Nigeria.
People are saying Obi is coming, but away from that, sir, I know you're going to react powerfully to that. And when they say my Obi is coming, and why is it that Bola Ahmed was not seeing that Tinubu did not actually perform? Maybe a kind of promote an agenda that will give credibility to maybe somebody like Obi, who Nigerian youth are all looking at to be somebody that can transform Nigeria.
See, God will bless you. Let us be realistic to ourselves. You see, Wole Soyinka, all those ones, they are old schools of Nigeria. See, the truth will be said because they don't say the truth. They don't like the truth. Now they are dancing to truth. See, let me give you somebody like Igboho. Igboho was a lion in the heart of the Fulani. The Fulani was afraid of him. At the end of the day, the Fulani ran. At the end of the day, they came. At the end of the day, now it's not dancing with who? Jagaba. Jagaba has power, and that power will be reduced by the power of God. Because that power is a power of iniquity. Arrested people's mind to follow him, to say Nigeria is well and Nigeria is not well. See, Obi and Atiku make a mistake, but a mistake can be correct. But it's too late according to what I'm seeing, because Nigeria cannot suffer and be suffering till now till 2027. It's not possible. You can't wait for anybody. No Messiah will come say 2027. Now is the motherfucking time. Now, Nigeria to take the book by the horn.
1 year, Tinubu 1 year in office, a lot of people saying they have come to Amajiri. How true is that?
Amajiri fight Amajiri.
Amajiri as in everybody's begging for survival.
Look the newspaper, see all of them in the street of Kano, the streets of Sokoto.
Even in the south here, even in the south, everybody's begging for survival.
Now it's not only Amajiri. Now Amajiri have been liberated in all Nigeria. Suffering, begging in the street. I beg, brother, I beg. Anyhow, I never trust this money. He help me 100 naira, 200 naira. Why? Under Jagabaho, see, we are tired of their system. Their system is negative. Their system is negative. And we are looking for a new face. And that face can be you and can be me. Because we don't right to rule Nigeria.
Thank you.